Hobbies that are booming in 2025 and perfect for the visual age. In the ever-connected world of 2025, hobbies have become more than just pastimes. They're now powerful outlets for expression, community building, and even income. With digital life still dominating and mental wellness remaining a top priority, people are seeking hobbies that bring joy while allowing for personal growth and online shareability. Here are some of the most relevant hobbies today that fit perfectly into the audiovisual narrative of a podcast with vivid poster-style illustrations. Digital journaling is enjoying a massive resurgence, fueled by the rise of stylus-enabled devices and creative apps like Notion, GoodNotes, and Obsidian. Unlike traditional journaling, this version allows people to express themselves with digital stickers, typography, and mood boards. It's especially popular among Gen Z and millennials, who are blending productivity with therapy. A digital journal page in 2025 is not just a diary, it's a curated aesthetic experience. People are using mood tracking graphs, visual prompts, and artistic fonts to personalize every page. This hobby supports mindfulness and organization, while providing endless content for social media posts, especially on Pinterest and Instagram stories. Another hobby seeing a major uptick is urban sketching, fueled by a growing desire to disconnect from screens and reconnect with physical environments. Urban sketching combines art and storytelling. Whether it's capturing a quiet coffee shop or a vibrant street market, people are taking their sketchbooks outside to visually document the world around them. The act itself is meditative, while the results are highly shareable. Online communities on platforms like Reddit, TikTok, and Threads celebrate these micro-journals of city life. This trend intersects beautifully with the slow living movement, creating an analog rebellion that values real-time observation over algorithmic feeds. Language learning has evolved into a cultural hobby rather than just a practical skill. Thanks to gamified platforms like Duolingo, LingQ, and AI-powered chatbots, people are now engaging in micro-learning sessions throughout the day. In 2025, language apps don't just teach vocabulary. They immerse users in daily challenges, cultural tips, and virtual events like spoken word contests or short film subtitling. What's exciting is that this hobby now ties closely with pop culture, as fans learn Korean to enjoy K-dramas without subtitles, or Spanish to connect with the booming Latin music scene. This wave of interactive language immersion offers both entertainment and empowerment, making it an ideal audio-driven and poster-illustrable theme. Finally, DIY scent blending is capturing the attention of sensory hobbyists. As people become more mindful of their environments, the art of crafting personalized scents, from solid perfumes to room sprays, is now being seen as both luxurious and therapeutic. This hobby has found particular resonance among wellness enthusiasts and minimalists who want to avoid synthetic fragrances. Scent blending workshops, often hosted via live streams or in-person pop-ups, are trending across major cities. Hobbyists are learning how to mix essential oils, understand scent notes, and bottle unique blends. It's a multi-sensory craft that appeals visually through ingredient aesthetics, emotionally through memory association, and socially through gift giving or selling at local markets.